I'm Randy.
I'm Jamie.
And we are doing a quick weekend getaway girls trip here at Bay Lake Tower at Walt Disney World.
Let's go explore. It's unbelievably early. 4 a.m. Wake up call at 3. I slept in the airport hotel, so I didn't have to wake up even earlier. Oh, let's do this. It's gonna be a long day. I'm here. Well, not here, but I'm ready here to meet Randy. So I'm waiting for her. Yay! I had about an hour and a half before Randy arrived, so it was the perfect time to get some work done. Remember that our services are free for you to use if you book through us. Where, oh where is Miss Randy? Where? I think I see her. Or I thought I saw her. Where'd she go? Oh, let's see. There she is! It started! I'm excited! Yay! Wait for our Uber. Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the only way to go when you're adults traveling. Uber's the quickest. Uber and left. Hello! We just checked in.
Yay!
Our room is ready.
Thank goodness. It is 11:48.
Never happens.
Never happens.
Oh my gosh. So luck is on our side.
Yes. Feeling like the vacation's getting off to a good start.
So let's go see our room.
Yes.
Hello, beautiful spaceship.
Oh, there she is. The castle.
Oh, and the castle. Sorry, I was looking at Space Mountain.
There she is. Beautiful castle.
All right, let's find this little lady. Ooh, a good shot of the pool out there. You know, I don't think I've ever been to that pool.
You know, when I haven't either. I've stayed here before. I haven't been. My kids have.
All right. Let's lead the way. What is it?
7723.
This is Bay Lake Tower, room 7723. All right. Randy is gonna give us a nice little tour of this tiny, what is it, a studio?
It is a studio.
Okay.
It suites 4 people.
Mm-hmm.
So we have it's kind of a smaller bathroom than what you normally would find in a deluxe resort.
Yeah.
I don't love the one sink vanity,
Yeah.
but
yeah.
I mean, it's fine.
It feels a little dated, but, you know. I feel like when I stayed here many years ago, this was modern, but that was 2009 maybe. I don't know.
And then you have a connecting door if you are getting like a 1-bedroom. And then
that's
this
true.
Would make the 2nd bedroom.
Okay. This is the money.
Yeah, this is my favorite part of staying at Bay Lake Tower. It's this galley kitchen. There's so much space. There's so much storage. You have your coffee mugs and real glasses up there. You also have paper plates and paper goods. Under the sink, you know, your trash. But then you just have so much drawer space.
Mm-hmm.
This is a DVC resort, so you have, you know, a can opener, a wine opener.
Mm-hmm.
There's all of your Joffrey's coffee, a real coffee.
A real coffee maker.
Coffee pot. Toaster, microwave.
A fridge, not a beverage cooler,
Right.
so that's important.
And then
What's in this?
it's like a little pantry. This is what I love. This is why I'm saying I love staying at Bay Lake because of this galley kitchen.
Yeah.
So if you were staying here a long time with family, like I would even bring maybe a crock pot and put it here, and then you don't have to eat out all the time. You could put something in a crock pot and then come back at the end of the day and your dinner's ready, and then go back to the park later.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, so here we have our closet space.
Yeah. Very safe, extra pillows, and iron or steamer? Iron. Okay. I feel like at the other deluxe, they've been giving steamers, which I enjoy. That's so much better. All right, this is a queen bed. And the little couch sofa area, I guess, is another queen? Full, maybe? A full?
But
yeah.
it does pull out, so this is how you sleep 4.
Yeah.
And then you have a lot of storage over here.
Nice.
It's kind of a smaller TV than what I'm used to at deluxe resorts.
Yeah. Again, it still is
space.
they need to update this big time. Compared to the contemporary proper, you know?
Right.
So, all right, let's see what our view is.
But really, this is why you stay at Bay Lake.
That's true.
Is for the proximity to Magic Kingdom, and we're right across the lake, Bay Lake, from Wilderness Lodge.
Ooh, we'll have a good view tonight of we won't see it tonight, but the electrical, the pageant, the water pageant.
Yeah, it's a fun pool area. My kids love the 0 entry. They love the slide.
All right, so this is it. Not my top rated, but you know what? It's here. We are walkable to Magic Kingdom and on the monorail, so that is important. Bay Lake is just a 5-minute walk to the Contemporary. It's connected by a covered walkway located on the 5th floor.
Okay.
Bay Lake is such a quick little hop. Oh, here is the fireworks viewing area. Man, you get a good shot. Especially way over there. And then look, we're already in the Contemporary. I know we're gonna go eat. Do we breeze through? Each resort has kind of resort themed merch, and I'm loving these New Year's. So cute. So cute. It looks like they changed colors. So if you were an Incredibles fan, this is definitely the place for you. Chef Mickey's is also here, so they have a little Chef Mickey merch. Oh my gosh, so cute. Don't forget your ornament. All right, right, let's see where Randy has ended up. Let's see. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna go grab a bite at Steakhouse 71, but up here you have Contempo Cafe, which is a quick service, as well as Chef Mickey's, which is a character dining. You get the Fab Five, and then right next to it's the Outer Rim, which is kind of a little lounge area. So we may be hitting that up later today. Steakhouse 71. I love these so much. Hey, look! Caballeros! This is just so... I want all these photos in my house. Look at it. I mean, this I would love with Roy.
And then Mickey on the train.
Oh, yeah.
And then the opening day ceremony.
I love it. How somber Roy and Mickey look up there. Look at it. All right, let's go check in. Let's get something to eat. Or let's not check in. We're gonna eat at the bar, I think, right? Okay. Hi. The nice little lounge area.
Steakhouse 71 is named for the year Disney's Contemporary Resort first opened. This restaurant is a 1970s Art Deco vibe with delicious food that offers a nod to Walt Disney himself. You can even choose from dishes inspired by some of Walt's favorites, like the Steakhouse 71 Feast, or Walt's prime rib hash for breakfast, or the French onion soup, prime rib, dry aged bone-in pork chop for lunch or dinner. Classic cocktails and portfolio of Disney Bailey wines are also available.
Steakhouse 71 also offers a modern and unique lounge that has a very contemporary, classic feel to their dishes. The light bites are a little separate from the regular menu that is offered inside the restaurant. They have items such as loaded mac and cheese, chipotle honey barbecue wings, and bacon and eggs.
Away here.
Thank you.
Good night.
Kara Bain, Kara, party of 3, Carrie Dawson.
Another great location to eat at the Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower would be the California Grill. California Grill is located on the top floor of the Contemporary and has amazing views of Magic Kingdom, especially during the fireworks. All right, we're gonna head over to the monorail, which is located on the 3rd floor. 5th floor? 3rd floor? The 3rd floor. Actually, I'm not quite sure the name of the floor, but it is where all the shops are, and it's located right up top. Like we were saying, Bay Lake Tower is the DVC, the Disney Vacation Club section of the Contemporary. It offers the studio like we are staying in, as well as a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom. Starting September 2024 through 2025, it's going to be undergoing some renovations on the rooms, so we're excited to see these changes.
When you are staying at a DVC resort, they have complimentary barbecue utensils that you can pick up in the community hall to use at the grills located in various areas. Just ask the cast members and they will point you in the right direction.
Inside most Disney resorts, if not all, I think, there's always a little market area where you can pick up some food, some goodies, things that you might need. Yes, the price point probably is a little bit higher, but it's here all the same. So especially if you're staying at a DVC, it is kind of nice to have some groceries in the house because you have microwaves and ovens and everything to make a pizza or some tater tots, whatever you wish. If you get to the parks and you get sick, No fear, there's some medicine on hand in the marketplaces. Located at the parks and at some of the resorts is a fuel rod charging station. A fuel rod is like a little power bank. You can buy some of them on Amazon for a little bit cheaper, or you can buy them here at the park. And see right here, I'm gonna swap mine out. So we're gonna go down here, we're gonna hit swap. Okay, it's gonna tell me how I need to put it in. Got it. We insert it, empty fuel rod here. And it did not give me, oh wait, let's see. Swipe to upgrade. Okay. Let's try this. Oh, okay. Let's try this. All right. Let's try it again. Go. All right. Here we go. And I have a whole new kit. Look at there. It has all the charging devices that you need, all the charging little adapters that you may need for your phone. This fuel rod's going to tell me what the battery percentage is, which is really great because the other one didn't, and I don't know, that was just made it a little frustrating to use. So for free, you can just switch it out and get a new one. Along with the monorail service that takes you to Magic Kingdom and Epcot, you also have bus access. The buses can take you to any of the parks. It could also take you to Disney Springs as well. Morning! And let's not forget your very own Disney boat. This boat can take you straight to Magic Kingdom, also to Wilderness Lodge or Fort Wilderness. Well, this has been our travel day to Bay Lake. When you're looking for the perfect resort for your trip and you want to be close to Magic Kingdom, you really can't get much closer than Bay Lake Resorts. We're so excited that it's going to have a redo and refurbished, and we cannot wait to see the outcome. Thanks so much for joining today. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram at A World of Adventure YT.